Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of 101 Mondays. Today we are going to learn how to create your own boat templates, whether that's a full copy of your boat or just a set of selected subflows. You can keep these templates free or even sell them at your own price. In this tutorial, we will cover the two types of templates and when to use each of the one, a full step-by-step process of creating a template, and also there are some key settings before and after publishing the template. Right, let's dive in. To create templates, scroll on the left sidebar, navigate to my content, my boat templates, and here we have an option to create a new template. Press the button, and here we have a process to create a new template. At the first step, we have to select the source boat from where we are going to select the content, right? After selecting the source boat, then we have to select the content, and in the content we have two options. First option is a boat template. This creates a complete copy of your boat. When installed, it can build a brand new boat on the user side, and it will override the existing boat, including the subflows, custom user fields, boat fields, tags, means all other content that is inside the previous boat will be replaced with the new content that we are going to install. And the second option, we have subflow template. So this only takes specific subflows that we are going to select and which can be simply installed in the existing boat without doing any of the overriding for the existing boat. Once you have to choose the content type, either the boat template or the subflow template. In the next step, we have to content review. Let's go one by one. If we select the boat template and go to the next step, so here in the content review, we can see all of the content we have, all of the number of steps, all of the custom user fields, and the boat fields, tag, subflows, means all of the data we have inside the boat. We can overview all of the data. And second here, we have Google Sheet option. If on the user side there is a Google Sheet integrated, then you can turn on the sample data. This will automatically create a sample data on the user side. Next, as a final step, to create a boat template, we have to enter the name of the template. Then we have to write a short description, and also you can give it a variant of the boat template. Now we have here three key settings. First one is publishable, the second one is editable, and the third one is viewable. Publishable means that we are allowing user to publish the same boat that they are going to install in their workspace. Okay, if we turn it off, then they can't create a new template from the content that they have installed from our side. Editable means they can open the subflows and they can edit the content inside the subflows. Okay, if we turn it on, so they can edit. If we make it off, so they are not able to edit the content of the subflow. And the third one is viewable. If we make it off, then user is not allowed to even open that subflows that are going to be installed in their board. Okay, we will go to a demo one by one. We are going to go back, and if we select the subflow template, let's say, then we have to select the subflows that we need to install on the user side. Let's say we select this subflow. Also, you can select keywords, you can select triggers, you can select inbound webhooks, widgets, whatever you want, you are going to include with the subflow template. On the next step, you have an option to content review. So with the content review, you can see which steps that are included in that subflow. If there is any Google Sheet connection, if there is any AI agent, if there is any AI function, means all the content that is included in that subflow, you can review it here. Also, you can see an overview, and then we can go and then select the content. Okay, give it a name. Let's say we can give it a name demo template. Leave it as is, short description, and give it a variant, let's say 1.0. You have an option you can give it a cover image. If there is no, then there will be no issue. Here is one more thing, which is auto update. Auto update means that when we are going to install this template on the user side and this is on, it means that when we are going to change in the master template, then that is automatically applying on the user side where this template is installed. If it's off, then any changes on the master template then will not be auto update on the user side. If we turn it on and we create a subflow template, then we will see a permanent link of this template message. If we click on the view template, then we can see the template that is created. Okay. Now you can see here, template mentions subflow. It means that this template is a subflow template, and the template that is a bot one, then there is no subflow mentioned. Okay. So this is the difference in between both of the templates. When you are going to select the content, that is the bot template or the subflow template. If it's a subflow template, then subflow is mentioned there. If it's a bot template, then there is no subflow mentioned. Second difference is with the bot template, there is no auto update feature. Okay, with the subflows template, there is an option with the auto update feature. And here, if you click on it, so here is the option manage installs, multiple options. If you turn it off, this editable, it means that now user can't edit these templates. Go back again and do a refresh. And here, if you go back and you can see this is locked, it means that you are not allowed to edit this template. Even if you click on it, so you will get an error message and that you are not allowed to edit this template. Okay. Now we are going back here, and here is the viewable option. Okay. If we make it off and go back here and refresh, and here you can see, now if we click on it, so we will see a message that this template is protected from viewing, so you can't view this template. Now go back again and do the last thing. Let's say we turn it on editable, viewable, and we make it off publishable. So what happens is, now we move up here, we are going to refresh this one, and now here we can click on it, so we can edit the subflow, we can add the content and do the same stuff. If we are going to create a new template from the user side workspace, we go again to the my content, to my bot template, and go to template, select this one, and here select the subflow. If you are going to create a bot template either, so you are not going to include these templates. So basically these are the protected templates. If you are going to select the subflow, so you can see which one are going to be created and which one are not. Basically from the master side, these are not allowed to publishable. So that's why you are not going to create these templates again. So this is how you can do multiple tests while enabling and disabling some features. Go back to the master workspace. Here, there are some more settings for the bot template. At the moment, you can see here, this is shared. Okay. If you go to edit info and you can click on it, so you can make it public so everyone can access it from the template store. You can, at the moment, this is shared link. So you have a link, you can copy the URL and provide and share it with any of them. They can install it. There is also a one-time link. So only the link is used only one time. You need to every time create a link and then share it with the person and they can install it. And here we have a private, so you can just make it available to only for your workspace. Here you can make some pricing for this template, put at a name, description, variant. We have select category, in which category this template is going to layers, put on some tags. So this is how simply you can create a bot template. You can install on the user side. You can select different key settings relevant to the template and make it easy to use these templates across different workspaces. That's all for today. If you have any questions, drop them in comments. See you in the next one. Bye.